Breaking news. The government of Burkina Faso has announced the removal of visa fees for all African nations. Now, this news is coming from Punch newspaper. Guys, when I read this particular information, I was asking myself this question, like, wow, how I wish every African countries, like every the 54 African country in this African continent can just wake up one morning and said, okay, let's us remove the visa fees, like the visa fee from every fellow African in this African continent. Just for example, now the way Kenya, I've not been to Kenya or to check if the visa is free or not, but I am from the president. According to them, they were like, every Kenya is visa free, yeah. But from the content creators I've watched most of their videos that travel recently to Kenya, they later discovered that yes, Kenya is visa free, but not for Nigeria. So I don't know. I think this is where the problem is coming from. Like, if we really cherish ourselves, you will see that the way other continents are behaving, this is what you should be doing. We should start implementing this. My name is Dennis Chukwuebuka, aka Onyenjim of Africa. If this is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, Onyenjim TV, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a goal to push this YouTube channel to 10,000 subscribers before this year runs out. So please, if you're coming across, subscribe, like, and comment your point of view at this video. So today I'm going to be talking about the Burkina Faso government that have removed visa fee from the country. So I don't know if it is good idea or bad idea, but to me, this is one of the best ideas so far. And I believe the president of that particular country, President Traoré, like the military president there, he's really doing a great job. He's trying his possible best to unite every Africa together to make everything work out for good, for the best in Africa. Now, removing visa free from the country is one of the best developments that have occurred in Burkina Faso. I have not been to Burkina Faso before, but from what I've been reading on different social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, it seems that the man is really doing something great to better the country. Like, let's say like last 3 years ago, when you Google the poorest country in the whole world, like in all Africa, Burkina Faso normally come at the list. But now, due to the development of Ibrahim Traoré, this man has already made standards. It has made a very great standard to the country, that the country is now really putting their mineral resources to develop the country for better and for good and not for worst. So I believe every African country should emulate this. Now seeing this thing on social media saying that the Burkina Faso government has removed visa fee from the country for any other, like me as a Nigerian man, I can visit the country without visa as far as I have my international passport. And I also heard that they want to bring this one passport that will unite Africa, or the United States Africa, like United States Africa. It's going to be a one passport that is going to, any country you are going, you can enter that country without anything visa as far you are from Africa. So let me read out this now. The government of Burkina Faso has announced the removal of visa fees for all African nationals as a step to strengthen Pan-Africa solidarity and encourage the free movement of people and goods, which is a very great idea. Now, from now on, any citizen from an African country wishing to go to Burkina Faso will not pay any amount to cover visa fee, Sana said. So this is what we should be talking about. This is a great development. Now, just imagining Kenya, Uganda, the West Africa, the North Africa, the South Africa, the East Africa, just wake up one morning and just unite. Like they unite in peace, in harmony, and said, okay, as from today, Africans, as far as you are an African, you can travel to another country without visa. Like they won't collect money for visa, you won't pay for any visa, just get your passport, then pay for your flight. I think this is a great idea that every other African country should emulate. Even Nigeria, I don't know if we're also doing this visa free of a thing, but I know that many countries from Togo, Ghana, within the West Africa are coming to Nigeria without even visa. I noticed it. because I've been to Cotonou before. I've been to Cotonou without visa, and I've been to Togo without visa, and I've also been to Ghana without visa. But if they are collecting visa, fine. But I've been to these places without visa. With your passport, you can do this. You can gain entry to all these countries. And I believe with if all the African countries can come together to unite and work on this visa something, I believe we are heading to a greater height when it comes to the development, to the redevelopment of Africa in the African continent. So, guys, tell me what you think about this particular video. Tell me what you think about what the president of Burkina Faso is doing, and tell me if it is possible all African country can come together and unite as one to remove visa fee generally in Africa. See you on my next video. Please do well to share, like, comment on this particular video. Bye for now. Thank you.